guys, it's Pearl here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be teaching you guys how to do a penché, as you can already tell by the title. And yeah, let's get into it. Now the thing that you need to stretch or warm up is like your legs, basically. And maybe your arm, because sometimes this part might hurt a bit after you're done. So you might want to watch out for that. Maybe warm up your arms if you care. Now we're just going to stretch our legs and splits and see everything. It's best to stretch both sides, but you know, you're only going to be using your back, your bad leg, you know, because it's a backward skill. You're going to be using your bad leg backwards, you know. So I'll explain better once we get into it. So let's just stretch and I'll explain when we're starting. Yeah, now that we've stretched our splits, we're going to move on into how to do the actual skill. How you do a penché is actually really simple, but at the same time a little tricky. Now how you do it is kind of similar to doing a scale, like how you grab your leg for a scale, but it's not the same. And for a scale, you grab between your knee and your ankle, but for your penché, you grab somewhat closer to your thigh. Now, how you attempt to do a penché is actually really simple. It's kind of like grabbing your leg for a scale or for a needle as well. So we're going to demonstrate that right now. This is what a penché looks like. Alright, so now that you know what it looks like, the first step to doing a penché is to grab your leg, just like a scale or a needle or scorpion. And then the second step is to actually pull the leg pretty far up. Now the key to actually pulling it up isn't actually just pulling. If you're just pulling, then you're not really going to get it high. Now the tip to do this is to pull while resisting with your leg. Now, it sounds kind of confusing. You're pulling with your hand, but you're pushing back with your leg. Something like this. Right now, I'm pulling with my arm, but I'm not resisting, so nothing's happening. Right now, I'm pushing back with my leg, but I'm not pulling it because, well, that's why it looks wonky. But if you're pulling and you're resisting at the same time, that's when you gain control to do your penché. So yeah, you resist and pull at the same time, and you go into a penché. So you can then make it pretty with your arm. So that's how you do a penché. It's not a very difficult skill. The only way it can be difficult is if you don't have your splits all the way down yet. And then in that case, you need to work on your splits. And in case you are working on your splits, I have a tutorial on my channel. I'm gonna in the description, and maybe you can go check it out. Guys, that's it for this week's video. It is literally the easiest penché tutorial you'll ever find. It is so easy, and it's quite a cool trick. Like, yeah, it's easy, but you know, it's easy enough to be mesmerizing to people's eyes. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it or if it helped you in any way, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and thank you for watching. I am out. See you next week.